Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and get into the silk press routine. I haven't straightened my hair in about 6 months, so I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to turn out. So I've sectioned my hair off already to make this process more easier, and I'll be using the Chi Heat Protectant. This is one of my favorites because it adds a lightweight shield around my hair, and I just spray a bit on each section before blow drying just to make sure my hair is protected. And as far as the blow drying process, I will be using a paddle brush for this step. Paddle brushes are great for silk presses because they have a wide flat surface that helps distribute the hair evenly across the brush. This means that you get a smooth finish in less time and it's more gentle on your strands, especially when you're working with texture hair. Of course, when blow drying, you want to start in small sections, and I like to work from the back up to the front. And I do keep the blow dryer at a medium-high heat and direct the airflow in a downwards motion. Also, I don't like to keep the heat on one section for too long, just to avoid any unnecessary heat damage. Also, when I'm using this paddle brush, it also helps keep my hair more straighter and smoother during the blow drying process, so you're already halfway to that silk press look. So now that my hair is dry and stretched, I'm going to go on with the Shea Moisture Binding Oil. This oil is amazing because it's lightweight but adds a beautiful shine and also smooths out any leftover frizz and helps protect your hair during the straightening process. It's also made with ingredients that help strengthen your hair while you style it. So I'm adding a fairly good amount of the binding oil to my hair, making sure it's nice and coated. As far as the straightening process, I set my flat iron to anywhere around 375 to 400, which is a good temperature for natural hair without causing heat damage. This flat iron actually goes up to 460, so you can definitely adjust this based on your hair's thickness and porosity, but also make sure it's not too high. So I'm just taking small sections, and I like to slowly pass the flat iron from roots to the ends. I don't use the chase method, I just comb and go pretty much. And I don't like the bone straight look on me personally, so I will be adding some curls at the end just to give it some volume. So when it comes to maintaining my silk press, I don't use or apply any more heat after the first time. I only straighten my hair every 6 months to a year. So for my nighttime routine, I pretty much just use flexi rods at night, and then I cover my hair with a satin bonnet. I don't really wrap my hair. I just like to use flexi rods just so I can keep my curls. And that is the end of this video. I always like the way my silk presses turn out every time I do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.